Hello guys, welcome to A to Z. Today we'll be seeing how to run Go programming language in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we will install the Go language. We will go to our browser and type a Go language or GoLang, then press enter. Select the first link, Go programming language, and then select the download, and you will be in another page. You will see different operating systems. I will select Windows here. Click on this link and it will start the download for the Go programming language. Once it is downloaded, go to the folder where it is downloaded, double click on it. Next, accept the agreements and next, leave the path as it is. Next, install. It will take a few seconds, 2 minutes based on your internet connection. It says we need to give permission. We will click yes. So it is successfully installed. Click finish. Now let us verify the installation. Go to the command prompts from the search, select the command prompt and type go version, press enter, and we can see the following Go programming language version here. We can also check the environment, go env, press enter, and this will allow us to see the set of tools, configurations, and directory structures to write, compile and run Go codes. So our installation is successful. Now let us install the Visual Studio Code to run Go code inside the VS Code. Go to the browser again, type VS Code, press enter, select the first link, download the VS Code for the Windows, and it is downloading. Once the setup file is downloaded, go to the folder again and double click on the setup of VS Code and accept the agreements. Then click next, leave the path as it is, next, next. I want a desktop icon, so I'll select this one and next, install. And this will start the installation and it will take a few seconds, 2 minutes based on your connection. So our VS Code installation is completed. Click finish and it will automatically start the VS Code. So here is our VS Code interface. Now go to the Explorer and click open folder. I'm going to the downloads and from the downloads I will create a new folder from here and give a name to it, go files, press enter, select it, and this folder will be connected to the VS Code for creating our programming files and projects. Now press new files and give a name to it, hello.co, and this will be our Go programming file format .go, and press enter and we will see the text editor for the Go file Go programming language. And here we also need to install the Go extension for the Go programming language. Go to the extensions and search for the Go support. We can see here Go reach Go language support. Click on it and press install, and this will allow us to write a Go code say in the VS Code. We'll also need to install the Go please. So go to your browser again and type a Go pls and click on the first link. From here you will see table of contents and select the installation, and in the installation you will see a link here. You have to copy it and go to the command prompt again, select the command prompt or search it and paste this link and press enter. We can see nothing has happened. If nothing happens, it means it has been successfully installed. And if anything goes wrong, there will be an error text. So leave it and go to the Visual Code again. We can go to the our Go programming file format and run our first Go programming code. So here is our code. We have written hello world in the code and we want to run it. After writing the code, save it from the files, and to run it, go to the terminals, new terminals, and write go run and the file name hello.go, press enter, and we can see we have the text hello world that is in the code hello world. Now let us understand the code. The code starts with a package. Every code starts with a package, and we can see the package name is main. That means it is executable. We have a library format and imported it. The format means we can read and print and format anything. And this is a function which is main, and this function allows us to run the main package, and we have the print hello world. Another important thing is that you have done everything right, but still you are getting an error like an application control policy has blocked this file. Then what you need to do is to go to the home page and search for the Windows security. From there, select the app and browser control, smart app control settings, and you will see smart app control. Turn it off, click yes, and then try running it. If you do, then I hope it will run. And once it runs, please turn on back the smart app control because it is for your security. Once it starts running by turning it off first time and turning it on again, it won't be any further issue and your codes will be run just fine. So this is how you can run the co-programming codes into VS Code editor. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.